Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. I'm Mr23 and today I'm going to show you how can you achieve this dispersion effect. So this is a photo of myself back in the days when I was a black belt in martial arts in Ashihara Karate, and we are going to use this one for today's tutorial. So I already selected it, so we don't spend more time with the selection, and now I'm going to duplicate this layer. On the bottom layer, right click on it and convert it to a smart object. With this layer selected, I'm going to filter and choose Liquefy. Now all you have to do is just drag from the center to the exterior. It's an easy process, just drag to the right. I'm going to speed up this process so we don't spend a lot of time. Alright, I know it looks weird now, but you'll see in a moment that this will help us to achieve the dispersion effect. Choose OK, and now hold Alt or Option and click on the mask to have a black color mask selected on our liquefied subject. Now go on the top layer, this one that is visible, and choose the brush tool or press B and choose the splatter brush. I'm going to provide you those two brushes so you can play with your own photo. Now be sure that the black color is selected. Now the purpose is to hide the side of the subject, to mask it with the black color selected. So just paint on the right side of the subject or on the side that you want to be the dispersion on. So I'm just going to paint. I'm going to speed up this a bit. It's important to play with the brush size, make it smaller from time to time. Now I'm going to choose the other brush, I will make it smaller, and I will slowly paint on the right side again. Alright, now go on the bottom layer, change the color to white. After you choose the spray brush, I'm going to rotate this brush 90 degrees to the left. Alright, and I'm just going to bring back a part of the liquefied layer mask. Now I'm going to make this one smaller, the brush size I'll make it smaller. I'm going to bring back a part of the side. Now right click again with the brush selected and choose the splatter one again. Select the black color, and now we are going to hide a part of this brush because the effect I think is too strong. I'm going to paint with black on the mask so I can hide the previous brush effect. You have to play a bit with the details because you cannot achieve this effect in one step. You have to play around with the colors. Anytime you want to add more of the liquefied layer, just paint with white on the black mask and then repeat the process with black selected with the splatter one so you can hide a bit this effect. I think this looks nice. Now we can add some background colors to make this effect more visible. I'm going to add a gradient and I'm going to choose some blue colors from the Photoshop presets. Alright. I'm going to change it to radial and increase the scale a bit. If you saw my latest tutorial, I had a duotone tutorial last week. You can watch it if you want, and I'm going to add that duotone effect to the final picture. Go and select gradient map, and now I'm going to add purple color for the dark parts of my image and a bluish color for the lights part of my image. And if you want, you can set this to a screen or overlay depending on your image. I think screen looks nice for my image. After I finish the tutorial, I have spent a few more minutes so I can show you how can you apply this effect to a photo composition. For example, I have added some text, I have added the same dispersion effect. You can apply the same thing on a text also, is the same process. Then I have grouped everything into one single group. I have added a background image. After that I have added a levels adjustment layer. I have added some snow, and then I have played with the cloud brush and masked a part of my legs and a part of the text, so I can hide them in the clouds, something like that. I have played with the camera raw filter and I finished with this result. If you prefer, you can add a black and white adjustment layer to make it more dramatic. So this is the tutorial for today. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be in touch with the latest tutorials. See you next time.